Today we're exploring the magic of electric mirror cabinets with lights. These fixtures are not just about function, they can truly transform your bathroom experience. Let's jump in. Picture starting your day with the perfect lighting. Electric mirror cabinets illuminate your reflection flawlessly, making morning routines like makeup application and grooming a breeze. In the evening, these cabinets can help create a calming atmosphere, ideal for unwinding. With adjusting the lighting, you can just set the mood for a relaxing bath or prepare for a good night's sleep. Beyond lighting, these cabinets add a modern touch and functional storage to your space, keeping it neat and stylish. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to elegance. Choosing the right cabinet. If you're considering an upgrade, here are some tips. Evaluate your needs. What features are most important for your lifestyle? Consult professionals. At Brightspark, we offer tailored advice to help you choose. Plan your budget. Consider the cost of the cabinet installation and any electrical work. Schedule installation. Let us handle the installation with expertise and care. We're NIC approved and adhere to Part P building regulations, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. While electric mirror cabinets are amazing, standalone mirrors or traditional setups can also be a great alternative depending on your needs. At Brightspark Electrical Services, we're committed to making your home improvement journey smooth and enjoyable. From selection to installation, we've got you covered. Ready to enhance your bathroom experience? Are you thinking about upgrading a bathroom? Let us know if you're ready to take the plunge. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.